Hello and welcome back to ET Auto. We are joined with Mr. Deep Kapuria, who is the group chairman of the High-Tech Group. Hello, sir. Congratulations for the launch, first of all.
Thank
And-
you.
yeah.
Thank you so much for
And
being
sir,
here.
I'd like to ask you, how does High-Tech Group envision its role in the India's mobility sector?
See, when you talk about mobility, mobility itself is a very, very fast, a very large canvas. And within that canvas, we are focusing, starting with the commercial vehicles, while we are doing a manufacturing set for literally from two-wheelers to commercial vehicles, pass cars, and even EVs, where we are doing the transmissions. But on the technology set, we are building a stack which is the safety issue on the road. As you know, I think we all know that Indian roads require that safety issue is one of our key things that we need to take care of. And we started off with the Bharat Benz truck, where today all the Bharat Benz trucks are armed with our advanced driver assisting system, which tells the driver and the vehicle and whoever wants to know that how distracted the driver is. And if the driver is less distracted, obviously his attention will be on the road. Now this one here with Aisha is even a more advanced system, which also has a radar which can go into collision avoidance. So our mission as of now for the overall high-tech group would be to make mobility as safe, not only for the driver, passenger, but also the person who is using the road or in the ambient condition of where that vehicle is traveling. I mean, that's our major mission.
How does the collaboration with Eicher makes it unique?
See, unless you get the OEs on board, when I say OEs, that means then who gets to the user experience? So we have to get them on board to say that this is essential for you, not only as a brand, but it also is kind of a social awareness that your vehicle becomes safer for the, like I said, for the driver, not only for the driver, but for anybody who is in the ambient condition, whether it's a vehicle or a human being. So they have to be collaboratively said because, for example, that here the warning system will happen. That is as per what Aisha wants, the OE wants. So it'll start beeping. It'll also have a visual to say this vehicle is on the way somewhere, and this vehicle can hit you. So the OE has to tell you how far you want to go. We are even ready, if the OE wants, collaboratively, to have auto braking system, or even controlling the steering to put the vehicle on the side. If the driver, let's say, for example, is not focused, if he is drunk or something, then the vehicle will not move. But that has to come in from the OE.
The OE side, right?
We are ready to do everything. We have the capability of fully autonomous vehicle right up to level 5. But here we are at level 2, we can go to level 3 also. So that's how it is.
Being a thought leader, any message for the stakeholders?
See, it's very essential to be going forth as I think our leadership coming from the Prime Minister has said that as the mobility grows, that's a key driver for the GDP and the growth of our country. And it is very essential to correlate the two in a sense, but responsibly. So you have to have sustainability besides safety and also the greening aspect. When I say sustainability, it goes into not only the aspect of EVs, but also greening of, let's say, the fuel itself, the fuel efficiency. So even on our transmission, the way we are designing the transmission, it will give you more mileage per liter. So everything could be greening. So sustainability, safety, and for that you need to have Indian IPR, and that's what we are doing. All this is, whether it's Volvo, Eicher, or is Daimler, the IPR is Indian. It is our IPR. This is for the first time ever that even a German company or a larger OE has accepted our IPR, and that is what needs to happen more and more. Research and development, creating IPRs, using the IPR so that we are recognized internationally and globally, that we can also do a lot more than anywhere in the world.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kapuria. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for the time.